Lan, balik tag-eskwelahan.
Yo, welcome in our third episode. In this episode, we will enter now. Come on, Ron.
Yay!
Come on. Now, welcome to Bruce. So, this is how everything. Come on, follow me.
Budot.
Yes. Tayo sila right there. There's no people around. So, let's watch some guys play Dota right there.
Zoom.
Let's picture now that Dota game. Sunod, palit ko siya. Ipahay siya. Hi, Dota.
Oh!
Now, come on. This is Shirley. Sheila. Sheila. Now, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Oh, come on. In this episode, you will see
Yan, magandang nami.
Look at this bullshit. No solicitation. This is crap. I hate that. Look at that. No refund for prepaid. That sucks, man. So, in the third episode, we saw
Nya.
the...
There's no kuripot. You read. There's no kuripot. Motherfucker.
So, magandang naman tayo. So, putang ina. And the third episode will say bye-bye again. So, just say hi to the people.